Could you tell us your name and what you do for a living?
My name is Jose Maria Sanchez Franco, and I'm a sheep farmer.
What breed of sheep do you raise?
Castilian sheep.
How would you compare the quality of lamb raised on pasture with lamb produced through more intensive farming?
Lamb from the Castilian sheep breed is completely different from lamb produced by more intensive breeds or imported from other countries. I don't mean to criticize anyone, but the difference is significant. Many imported lambs travel long distances before reaching the market and often have to be kept in cold storage. In some production systems, the lambs are separated from their mothers after only a few days and raised on artificial milk. That's very different from a lamb that is naturally reared by its mother. A young lamb usually weighs around 10 or 11 kilograms, but for cooking, I personally prefer lambs weighing between 15 and 18 kilograms. In my opinion, that's the ideal size. Of course, everyone has their own preferences, but if you want to enjoy really good lamb, I'd recommend one weighing between 15 and 18 kilograms.
What products can we obtain from the Castilian sheep?
The Castilian sheep produces relatively little milk, but its quality is excellent. The drawback is that it isn't as productive as other breeds. At most, it produces around 3/4 of a liter of milk a day.
Besides milk, what else can be obtained from the sheep?
In the past, wool was also highly valued, but nowadays it has almost no commercial value. It's a real shame, because it used to be used to make coats and many other garments. Today, there's hardly any demand for it. In fact, this year I had to give it away for free.